Hi, I'm Okonkwo-Prada. I'm a defenseman and I'm from Colchester, United Kingdom. Probably winning the championship in Salzburg when I was 16. Played on a team full of a lot of good guys I'm still friends with today. I call it football. Most people here call it soccer, but I'm a big Arsenal fan. Biggest inspiration is definitely PK Subban. He's someone that I like to watch a lot. It's definitely one dance by Drake. Bowsy fined me $5 for dancing too much to it this morning. In my opinion, I'm a very good FIFA player. I'm sure a few guys would disagree with me, but I gotta give myself a bit of credit. Definitely GIF. My grandma likes to say GIF, but sounds wrong. It would probably be with Alexander Ovechkin. Get a few assists there. It's just a great sports city on any given night. I mean, you can go watch hockey, baseball, football, everything. So it's pretty cool to live in a community like that.